Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see insertion in a binary search tree. So how we are going to perform insert operation on a binary search tree. So given a binary search tree and a key k, if k is not present in the binary search tree, insert a new node with the value equal to k into the binary search tree. If k is already present into the binary search tree, don't modify the binary search tree. So if we are given a tree, then we will also be given a key value, so we have to insert that key into our given binary search tree. So let's see how we are going to do it. So for example, this is our binary search tree, that is 2, 1 and 3. Right now the key given to us is 4. So at which position are we going to insert 4? So 4 is greater than 2, so we are going to move towards the right side. 4 is also greater than 3, so again we are going to move towards the right side, and next when we are going to search, we are going to get null. So at any point of time whenever we are going to get null, we are going to insert 4 at that place. So our new binary search tree will look something like this after inserting 4. So this is our binary search tree after insertion of 4. Now let's see this binary search tree. Here we are given the key as 4 and we have to insert the key in this binary search tree. So initially we have 2, so 2 is less than 4, so we will move towards the right side. So 4 is again greater than 3, so we are again going to move towards the right side. So 4 is less than 6, so if any key is lesser than the given root value, what we are going to do is we are going to move towards the left side. So we are going to insert 4 at this position. So after insertion of 4, our binary search tree would look like this. Okay, so 4 will be inserted here. So in this way we are going to proceed. Now we have to write a function for this. So there are basically 3 or 2 important conditions that we need to take care of. So initially it is given in the question that, so if k is not present in the binary search tree, then insert a new node with the value equivalent to k. So how are we going to write this condition? So we are going to write it if root is equals to null. So this condition means that k is not present in our binary search tree. So in that case what we are going to do is we are going to insert into our binary search tree. We are going to create a new node for it. So what we are going to do is return new node, and we are going to insert our key value into that new node that we have created. Okay, so this is a base condition that we have to write. Apart from this, there are 2 more conditions that we need to write, that is if our key is less than root data. This means that if we have to insert a value which is lesser than our root. Okay, so in that case what we are going to do is we are going to recursively insert it into the right subtree, right? So we are going to move towards the right subtree, and we are going to assign it to the right child. Okay, why this condition? Let me explain you that. Okay, so for example, let us consider a condition like we have this tree, okay, 2 and 3, and now we need to insert 1. Okay, so initially we will check if root is equals to null. So no, this condition is false because we have root as 2. So this condition will hit true because our key value is less than the root data, which is 1 is less than 2. Yes, so what we will do is we will move towards the right side right subtree, and we will call insert function recursively. So when we will call insert function recursively, it will then find out that our root becomes null. So what it will do is it will create a new node with the key value. So our 1 will be created, but it will not be linked with this 2. So in order to link this with 2, what we are doing is we are writing this condition, that is root of right is equals to insert root of right. Okay, so what this will do, this line will make a connection between these 2 nodes, and therefore our binary search tree will be completed. And the other condition will be similar, where the last condition will be key is greater than, if key is greater than root data, then in that case we are going to call the insert function recursively on left subtree. Okay, and similarly we are going to make a connection for root left. Okay, so these are the conditions that we need to take care of while writing the insert function for a binary search tree. So let's see the code now. So we are given a insert function where root is the parameter of root, where root is of type node and key is given to us. So this key is the key which we have to insert in our binary search tree. So this is the base condition that we have written. If our root equals to null, then we have to return. What we have to do is we have to create a new node with the key value that is given to us, and these are the other conditions where we are checking if our root data is greater than key. Then what we are doing is we are calling the insert function recursively over left subtree, and we are passing our key value. And what we are doing here is we are assigning it to a root left, so that our connection will be made between the node and the left child. And the same thing we are doing here also, where we are checking if our root data is less than the key value, then in that case we are calling the insert function recursively on root right, and we are passing the key value, and then we are assigning it to the root arrow right, so that our connection will be made between the right child and the root node, and finally we are returning our root node. So let's now try to compile this code. So our code has executed. Now let's submit it. So you can see that we have performed insertion in a binary search tree. If you have any doubts related to it, please put your doubts in the comment section and I will be clearing them out. Thank you.